Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are all doing all right this morning. So last week I threw up a poll and it kind of got the blood boiling. So I guess this could be a mini rant, but it's all for the better, I guess we could say. So last week I threw up a poll and I posted a photo of a DJI Phantom 3. And I said, what do you call this thing? And I really just wanted to run an experiment. I just wanted to run the idea of, okay, so many years ago, the RC purists, I guess such as myself, we would be like, oh, this is a radio-controlled aircraft. This isn't a drone, because that's what government things are, and the drones fly themselves and all this and that. So years ago, 99% of us would have said an RC aircraft. But now the word drone has kind of stuck, and either maybe it doesn't have so much of a bad connotation anymore or whatever, but it's called a drone now. And the numbers were 50-50, both on Instagram and on Facebook. The polls showed about the same. So I think we've all kind of gotten over the RC aircraft name, and we call it a drone. I call it a drone myself. Absolutely no problem. But what that kind of uncovered was some really nasty hatred that I just wanted to address here with my lovely RC helicopter buddies. So for those of you in the drone community, you guys are cool. I love all you guys. Awesome stuff. I love being a part of the drone community. It's awesome. But for those of you, go look at my Facebook posts there and some of the comments. They are just completely just bitter and angry. Like, some of these RC helicopter pilots are really upset with the drone world. But why? Why are you so upset with the drone world? A lot of hatred, like, if we took their stabilization away, then they wouldn't be able to fly anymore. Well, let me tell you, buddy, let's take your tail gyro off your helicopter. How can you fly? Okay? Just get over yourself. Like, I saw some sponsored pilots really talking smack to the drone community. And like, hello, Mr. RC helicopter sponsored pilot. Are you aware that maybe if like you helped out the drone community a little bit more, maybe if a guy goes to Best Buy and buys a new DJI Spark for $300 and comes out to your flying field just to fly around and ask you for some tidbits, instead of being a jerk to him, maybe just extend your arms, show him how the helicopters work while you're at it, help him out, and then who knows, he might become interested in helicopters. You ever think of that much? I just don't understand the hatred. I really don't get it. I mean, drones are the reason why I would argue that probably more people right now in the world know how to twiddle the sticks and make an RC aircraft fly. Period. Call it a drone, helicopter, airplane, whatever you want to call it. Drones are responsible for mass adoption of RC technology, I firmly believe. Not just the toy helicopters you see at the mall. So I don't know where all the hatred came from the RC heli guys. Because, I mean, yeah, you might not like the drones and you might not like the fact that once every few months some idiot flies it too close to an airport or just does the wrong thing with them and gets a lot of negative publicity for the hobby. But I think in general, drones are really helping spread the RC hobby in general. I mean, you helicopter guys should be proud of yourselves. Everything that we developed in RC helicopters directly descended straight into drones. It went straight into drones. How do you think the DJI started? They started by coming to events like IRCHA. Did you know that? Yeah, you should be like proud of drones. You should look at it as an evolution of flight. We should really embrace and champion everything that flies of all sorts. I just don't get the hatred. So I would invite those of you with your cold hearts that absolutely despise the drones, take a look into it. I mean, see what you can do to help out the community around you. If there's drone pilots out there, invite them to your club field. We do that at Torches all the time. People just show up from Best Buy, literally, having just bought a Phantom and want some help flying it. And we help them, and sometimes they even buy a helicopter. So, I don't know, man. Just wanted to spread some love here for everything that flies. So, thank you guys for watching.